Hello YouTube. Got a package today, so let's see what we have. Okay, we have my center cap decals for my wheels. I'm covering up the American Racing and putting these Mercury. There's 3 of them here, so I'm missing one. I think it's in the other box. So let's see what we got here. Okay, let's open these up and see what it is. And there they are. They're my other 3 center caps for my wheels. It's getting there. Next thing I'm going to be ordering are the lowering springs. I'm going to order the rear ones first, and then the front ones, and then we'll get everything installed. So that's it. Till next video, I'll see you.